In this video, I will be showing you how to create a QR code in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, I move my cursor to the top left and click on the Create a Design button. In the menu that pops up, I browse through the options and select Logo to open a clean, square workspace. Once the editing canvas loads, I click on the blank canvas to select it. Then, I go up to the top toolbar, click on the Background Color tile, and pick a solid red color to give our design a clean background. Next, I look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar at the top, I type in QR code and search for available QR code generator tools. I click on the QR code app from the results to open up its generator settings. In the URL field, I paste the link that I want the QR code to direct to, and then I click on the Save button to generate the code right onto our canvas. Now, I can customize the QR code using the options in the panel. I can adjust the pattern style, choose different corner designs, and select an icon or logo for the center. After setting up the look, I close the side panel. Back on the canvas, I click on the QR code and drag the corner handles outward to make it larger, ensuring it is well centered and easy to scan. Finally, to export the design, I head up to the top right corner and click on the Share button. I select Download from the menu, keep the suggested PNG file format, and click the purple Download button to save the QR code to my device. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create QR code in Canva.